Is he hiding? She already saw it once, but we wanted to get this on tape. Woohoo! Is that from Monkey Man? What is that? Is that a monkey? Is he going to get you? Is he going to get you? Hi. I'll bring her back. What is it? Is it a Steeler monkey? Look at his hat. Do you see his hat? Yeah. You know who got you that? Monkey Man. Yeah, and Aunt Missy and... Not Aunt Missy. Aunt Missy. Yes, and Cousin together. Is he funny? Guess what? He got you. Oh, look, he got you. He's gonna get you, Rain. You better run. You better run. You like him? Look how long his arms and legs are. Ah! He got you. He got you, Rain. Woo! Are you good now? You gonna give him kisses? You gonna give him another kiss? Mwah! You like Monkey Man? Yeah, is that funny? It has a Steeler hat. Yeah! Is that funny? Is Monkey hiding? Ah! Ah, he's gonna get you! I'll put him up. Get it on the, I know, I put him up here earlier. Okay. You want him up on the basketball? Okay. Is he hanging? You gonna get him? Get him! Ah! Uh-oh. You gonna give him a hug? Yeah. Did you tell Monkey Man thank you? Yeah.